Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best protein shakes blenders in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Hamilton Beach Personal Blender for shakes. Sharing is caring, but if you're more of a solo drinker with your protein shakes, then we want to interest you with the Hamilton Beach Personal Blender, featuring its 14 ounces liquid capacity. This small blender is not only the best blender for protein shakes of your choice, but it's also a portable shaker bottle to have in tow. The stainless steel blades are top-notch for making smooth blends of frozen berries, healthy fats, frozen fruits, almond milk, protein powder, almond butter, and other healthy ingredients using one powerful blender. Its one-touch pulse button is multifunctional, too. Use this blender for smoothies, shakes, baby formula, marinade, salad dressing, and more. So enjoy when you purchase this blender. Number 2. Our second best pick is NutriBullet Pro 13-piece high-speed blender. This versatile blender has a high-torque power base with a 900-watt motor to make your favorite simple protein shake and other lip-smacking smoothie recipes. It also has reliable stainless steel blades that can process fresh or frozen fruit and fibrous vegetables and can crush ice and nut butter to concoct a smooth shake with your favorite ingredients. With its 230 volts, food processing is made efficient for your convenience. You can drink on the go with its compact detachable container design and make the best protein shake wherever you go. Note that this product listed is pre-owned and professionally inspected, tested, and cleared by Amazon qualified vendors. There appear to be light scratches but no signs of cosmetic damage from 12 inches away. This product is eligible for replacement or refund within 90 days of receipt. Number 3. Our third best pick is Vitamix E310 Explorian Blender. Its 10 variable speed levels are impressive, to say the least. You can freely achieve your desired texture on your shakes and drinks even without any culinary expertise. At best, you can throw in different ingredients and expect a great consistency each time. If you like your protein shakes thick, then you're in for even more treats with this blender. Its pulse feature effortlessly achieves thick consistency without missing a beat. Its aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are great for processing hard or chunky ingredients. Overall, enjoy a generous liquid capacity of 48 ounces. You shouldn't have any problems with the cleaning either. With the combination of dish soap and water, this blender will clean itself in under 30 to 60 seconds. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Blendtec Stealth Commercial Blender. The saying, "Go big or go home," can be motivating, but with this stealth blender, you can go big and stay home. This best blender for splurge may come with a hefty price tag, but it also comes with lots of features you will love. The first on our list is its noise blocking operation. So no matter what time you plan to shake things up, you have no worries about disturbing anyone in the same room. The pre-programmed one-touch cycles are immaculately efficient for anyone who loves to try out different recipes. It also has pulse control, so you can make smoothies, juice, soup, margarita, dough, sauce, dressing, etc., any time of the day. The self-cleaning operation makes the splurge even more worth it. With just soap and water, you can have your sparkling blender back in under a minute. Altogether, its 36 ounces blending capacity is great for wet or dry ingredients. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Oster BLSTPB-WBE My Blend Blender. A great contender of the NutriBullet Pro is this one, but at a cheaper price tag. Rightfully hailed as the best budget blender in review articles, we vouch for the same title with this product. This blender has a portable design that makes it perfect to blend at home and drink on the go. Its BPA-free plastic material won't make you question its integrity. Even more, allow it to impress you with its capability to process frozen ingredients and even ice cubes for that matter, featuring its 250-watt motor. Truly, this is perfect for active individuals who are always on the go. Enjoy this 2-in-1 blender both as a blender and a drinking cup. It also comes with an extra blending jar. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.